Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to be looking at clearing the cache in Universal G-Code Sender. Sometimes things go wrong or you get a Windows update. This will help you get back to the default configuration for your UGS platform. So let's go ahead and clear the cache. We'll go ahead and disconnect our machine, close out UGS, and then we're going to open up our File Explorer and find our hard drive. It will be local disk or Windows disk, but in parentheses, it will have a C:. Once we click here, we'll want to find the users folder, and then there'll be a default in the public, and then another one, which is what your login is. For here, mine is the first 5 letters of my login. Now, once I get here, I need to find the .ugs and the .ugs platform folders, highlight them, and click delete. That's all there is to it. Now you'll notice once we go back and we open up UGS, it's going to take a little bit longer to load because it's going to have to rewrite those files that we just deleted. However, once it's loaded, we can go ahead and set it up again just like it was. So I'll just go ahead and go through that process. So the first thing is I don't want to see this window every time I open, so I'll check that box and say okay. I'll get rid of the welcome page, move my controller state digital readout window where I like it. Go ahead and go to my jog controller, and I guess I'll need to connect to change that. So I'll hit refresh COM ports, select the COM port that I know I'm supposed to be connected to using the device manager, hit connect. Once I connect, I can go ahead and change to inches and put my favorite numbers, which are 1, 0.2, and 200 for the Evolution series, a little bit faster for the KL7 series. So now that you've cleared the cache, make sure that you go ahead and hit the connect button to disconnect before you close out a UGS, and I think you'll be okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out all of our other troubleshooting videos.